y'all, I kept it real easy and made one of my new favorite snacks, smashed potatoes. And normally I would just say let's go and go, but first, let's go. So you're gonna take as many baby potatoes as you want, yellow or red is fine, and then you're just gonna boil them until they're fork tender. So this part is optional, but I like to drizzle a sheet pan with a little bit of olive oil and throw it in the oven while it preheats to 400. So I melted a stick of butter. I'm gonna throw in a little bit of minced garlic and some black pepper, a little bit of onion powder, and just a little bit of sloppy mama. So you're gonna take the boiled potatoes and lay them out on the sheet pan. So I'm gonna take a clean, dry mason jar and smash them. The thinner that you smash them, the crispier that they get. So y'all know mine are thin. Drizzle a spoonful of that butter and garlic on each potato. And then you're gonna pop them back into the oven. And to dip them in, I'm gonna take a little bit of sour cream, mix it together with a little bit of black pepper and some salt and a little bit of dried parsley. So I like to top mine with some chopped up fresh chives. As always, the full recipe is topped out, listed on my website, and the link is in my bio.